Hi guys and welcome back. We're Courts Meeks and for the last year we've been living in our self-built orange Sprinter van named DeeDee.
Despite 2020 being that year that no one will forget, thanks COVID, we managed to explore some amazing places in Europe. Spain, Portugal, Gibraltar, France, Italy, Slovenia, Austria, Czech Republic, southern Germany, back into Italy and France before returning to the UK.
Now we're on a mission to rip out, rebuild and reduce weight in our tiny home on wheels as we prepare for the adventures ahead.
Oh, and if you hadn't noticed, we're a tad obsessed with orange. Don't forget to share the love and subscribe. It's free and it's the easiest way to support our channel. Welcome back guys!
Hi!
Oh god, it is cold winter here in the UK.
Look at the snow!
It is snow! I'm gonna get you for that later. We are back working on the van. It's now Thursday, which means our long weekend of van building has begun. And last week, well, not last week, the last video that you saw, we were working on our seats,
yes.
Our seating area, office, dining room, and now
the kitchen!
Yay! So I've cut all the pieces and we're now on to construction. So
we've cut some of the pieces.
Not all the pieces, yeah. The starting pieces.
It's quite a small kitchen and we've kind of measured everything and it seems like it all fits, but
it's always trial and error when you get to making it, isn't it? So
stay tuned for more annoyed bits where it doesn't fit, because that's going to happen.
Standard. Okay, let's go try and crack on. So cheeky.
So we have three almost identical kitchen bits. So you'll see there's a toe kick down here at my left knee.
Yeah.
And there's a notch here at my right hand. And this is for our windowsill so that it slots up against the back of the van, because last time it didn't actually touch the back wall. Probably not very safe. And we did have a toe kick last time, so that's nice. So these are all going to now be connected by some ply that we need to cut. So let's do that. Okay, how long does it need to be cut?
I think it's 91.5, but we better check the notebook.
Oh, check the notebook, check the notebook. 91.6!
Oh.
Wrong. How wide do we want it to be?
It doesn't really matter, it's just to be able to create stability and attach the worktop too, so half of that on each.
10?
Whatever. If you hadn't noticed, I'm just kind of like the creative director on this build, so I just shout things at James and then he does them. Is that how it goes?
I mean, the shouting's true, whether the creative direction is true or not.
Well, how rude. Do me a little booty dance.
Come
Keep my
on.
motivation going.
Booty, booty, big booty, too. Big booty, I can't finish.
Are you twerking?
I feel like I'm having a fit. I've not got my tunes on, you see.
Oh, I see.
Bit of Flow Rider.
Sean Paul?
Sean Paul.
You hate Sean Paul.
Sean Paul. Well, I don't hate him, he's probably a nice guy, but I hate that Sean Paul. Gonna give it to, come and give it to. Yeah, that bit. So who's cutting that then, Courtney?
Well, I'm not the straightest of cutter in the world, so what we've kind of decided is that James does all the cuts that will be seen and I do the cuts that will be hidden. And this one's going to be hidden, so my theory is I'll cut it out and then when we notch out the top here for it to slot in, we'll just make the notches a bit bigger so that if my lines aren't straight, it doesn't matter, it's fine. Because I'm an independent woman, clearly, so I can use the power tools as well.
Yeah, power tools are not for men.
Yeah.
Not just for men, sorry.
Not just for men.
Right.
Not like a Yorkie.
Wait, that's not for girls.
Oh. Fail! Okay.
Let's set this up properly before you kill yourself.
Step ladder.
Step ladder.
Step ladder.
So, in the interests of health and safety,
Ooh, really safe.
and this board is definitely clamped down.
Oh yes.
It's not going to move.
It's calmed down by James's butt.
Oh, I've just
You're just giving them a crotch shot. This is not X-rated content.
That's what happens when you're creative director.
Okay. I can do this. Beautiful! That is an A star. Well done, me.
Please tell us in the comments whether you think this is a straight cut or not. That would be wonderful.
You can't see the pencil line, so that means I cut on the pencil line.
Well done. Now just the long one to do.
Ta.
Is it part of the school of straight cuts, or is it?
Oh, I would give that a 3 out of 10. Solid 3. I tried, so that's the most important thing. That's what Farm Build's all about, isn't it? It's like having a home to live in, but also looking at the imperfections and being like, oh yeah, I remember when we did that, and oh, that's not straight, but we had fun, or we gave it a go. And
I'm sure if we ever come to sell the van, those quirks will be really good for the value.
Well, they're valuable to us.
Boho quirky rather than professional.
Yeah. There's a happy medium, I think, between the two. Hence why I'm doing the bits that can't be seen.
Okay. Now we
I
just
need to do another one.
Yep.
So, as much as, there might be certain things that aren't my forte, cutting straight lines, Meeks does have this thing where he likes to micromanage me as well, so that's really fun.
Whatever are you on about?
He's like, clamp that, do that, pick that up. Could you? Do you want to measure it? Oh, okay. And then I'll stand like this, watching over as I measure something.
Actually, you might want to move this off before you knock it off.
I'm quite capable.
What's going on, Courtney?
Well, I just cut the piece for the toque. It's a bit that goes like above your toes there, so no one, not even Sally, who's on the floor.
Oh my god, I've just seen this.
I kind of butchered it a bit.
What's this here?
I had to come from that way, and then I had to, because it's such a skinny piece, I had to come from this way and join them up, and that's really hard. So, yeah. Luckily, it'll not be seen. And I'm gonna put wood filler on it as well, so be fine.
Our answer to everything this build. Wood filler!
Wood filler!
Right, now what?
Now we just stick them together. Do we need wood glue as well as nails, do you think? Make it a bit more secure, wouldn't it? We've got this one from 2 years ago.
Just find the brush.
Gorilla Glue. Does this stuff go off? Doesn't have a date on it.
Why?
Use by? Sell by?
Fine. I guess we've got to leave it there for today, haven't we? Because we're adults.
Yeah.
And we have chores.
We do. We have responsibilities. We have a dog. We're proud parents. And, we'd really rather walk her when it's light outside rather than in the pitch black, which we were doing for the last couple months. So, let's go see if she's excited to see us.
Or is she asleep? Oh, hello Isla.
Oh, there's Isla, that's James's mum's dog, and there's our little salchicha.
Hello Sally.
Sally, are you excited?
Hello.
Oh, it's such a nice thing to come back to. Yeah, babes.
Yay.
Oh,
Okay.
you know what you've not done?
Oh.
Lock the shed.
Ah, you.
Oh, and you could also put the electricity away if you like.
You
What did I say? Creative director? Director. Yeah, I think that title fits.
Right, you stay in here, I'm going to lock up.
Okay.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning.
Hi.
Morning. We were supposed to get up an hour ago. We have our alarm set for like 6 and half 6 every day of the week.
I don't know why we have it set for 6 because we'd never get up at 6.
No, that's our snooze. So we snooze till half 6. But today now it's like half 7 and we're still not out of bed. It's really hard to try and keep motivated every day, like working 3 days and then on the other 4 days still getting up at exactly the same time, not having like any respite or chill
Especially when
days.
it's so warm and cozy in bed.
Oh, I snuggle in my sleep on it, that's nice.
Yeah, exactly that.
I think it's attractive. What do you think, guys? Does it look nice? It's to stop my curls going frizzy.
Works so well as well.
It does help.
Right, come on then, let's get up.
Okay,
1,
let's do this.
2, 3.
Well, that was successful. Come on.
No, ow.
Come on. Come on.
Well, don't show them me. Don't show them me sleepwear. People pay to see that. I'll be up.
Come on.
Okay.
Look, Sally's waiting patiently. Are you ready to go downstairs, Sally? Yeah. Oh, kisses for the vlog. That's nice. Yeah, you go tell him. Get up, Dad.
I'm getting up.
Only 2.
The third one's cooking.
Okay.
Who ruins crumpets with that sick on them? Look at them.
Pesto. It's the best option.
Pesto is not the besto when it comes to crumpets. You ruined
I love it. It's so good.
Please agree with me, everyone, in the comments that this is just an abomination on breakfast.
Stop ruining my breath. You will never believe what happened. It fits. This is obviously our under sink cupboard. Yeah. All of our plumbing, heating, ducts and everything come up through there.
Which is going to be a nightmare.
Yeah, and that's for another day. Sink will be here. Then our water filtration Berkey system will sit behind that next to our tap. And then our hob will be there. And then our fridge will be in this one down here. Obviously this is our next challenge, is building the lower kitchen unit. So, would you like to do the honours, sir, of showing how our bed pulls out over the top of everything?
Okay.
Handle required. Gets me every time we do that.
Yeah,
we actually built it.
That's not getting old anytime soon, is it? Come and show them originally we thought the bed was going to come out to where the kitchen is.
Yeah.
But there is a little gap now, which actually is not that bad at all. But having the chairs in and the kitchen in, it feels so much roomier than the last fan, doesn't it? Like, I think it's because this is really low and there's nothing in the middle there at the moment, so it just feels like you're not blocked off in any way. Obviously we're still going to have another cabinet here, but that's going to be lower. It's going to be the same sort of height as this. So I'm absolutely buzzing. So it's a new day, it's sunny, it's actually quite warm in here, and we're working on the kitchen again. As you can see, Courtney has started painting. We have a wishy-washy coat of primer and everything, so it looks pretty crap, but wait until that's done. And I'm going to be working on the pantry, which is this lower section here. These are in for holding our worktop, which isn't ready to put in yet. And task of the day is drawers. I've already been building drawers for the seats, so we've got drawer here, drawer here, drawer here, drawer here. But we're also going to have 2 drawers in here above our heating system and on top of the wheel arch. Here we go. Tea livery.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my goodness, the paint shop is busy today.
Let me get up and have a look-see. Wow.
We have primer on all of these drawers in the seats. Primer on the inside of where the fridge is going to go and on the front of the unit. And then I'm going to put a second coat of primer on the shelves in the wardrobe. And then I'm done. I'm going to enjoy my tea first. Thank you very much.
Welcome. I'm going to go and wait for the battery to charge. Let's give this badger a go. Now this is in here. It's, excuse my French, massive. Who needs a cutlery drawer this big? Oh, I'll just pop myself down. Remove the bucket, obviously. And then, so that is going to go somewhere like there. Pretty good. Just hope everything's straight. Awesome. Oh, I'm dead chuffed with that. I'm done for today. Time for Sunday roast. See you tomorrow.
Right, so I know Meek said we will see you tomorrow, but it's now like 2 weeks later. And we thought we would end this video by showing you where we've got to with the kitchen unit. It's not quite done, but it's very, very close. Welcome to my beautiful kitchen. Obviously it doesn't have any fronts on it yet. We have all of the drawer fronts and cupboard fronts now cut and are being primed and painted. Our fridge is going to sit in this little gap here. We've got this beautiful control panel that Meeks has built. Then we have our 2 massive drawers in here. And then our heating unit sits underneath. So that's where we're at. That's the kitchen space that we've got in this build. It's a bit smaller than what we had last time, but it's going to be perfectly usable. And every inch is well used rather than all the wasted space we had before. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, drop any questions into the comments, and we'll see you on the next one.